I hope patrolling about you don't know. We are keeping away here. Big up music Phil. Yeah. When the traffic stop on there. Yeah. When the traffic block on there. Whoa, traffic blocking. Girl, I come down in our tights and stocking. Watch out them hairstyle. Willa. Yo. Improvise. Anything you're catching in your way, your hand, you just use it up. Right? Yeah. When the traffic stop on there. Yeah. When the traffic block on there. Whoa, traffic blocking. Girl, I come down in our tights and stocking. Watch out them hairstyle whopping. And the dress code ever shocking. Serious thing. Traffic blocking. Girl, I come down in our tights and stocking. Watch out them hairstyle whopping. And the dress code ever shocking. Read them thing, put in at the ear from you can block traffic. Any woman out there who knows say them got it. One day we got it, you hold them and drop it. We are some sick up on me, I out a socket. We also look from a farm to spot it. A fist stop fast, I'll do me did not clock it. Draw down gear in a me automatic. Book me windscreen and crack it. Yeah, traffic blocking. Y'all come down in our. Watch out them hairstyle. And the dress code ever shocking. Traffic blocking. Girl, come down in our tights and stocking. Watch out them hairstyle whopping. And the dress code. Wanna say, down the clock? Eh? From halfway 3 down to 3 mile block up. All on the sidewalk, vehicle a track up. Sergeant ride on a chat bout lock up. Could you angle the crowd so him send me back up. Back up them come down with truck fi pack up. Who cause a traffic here? Everyone a chat up. When them see a who and how our bumper head start at up. Yeah. Where they? Yeah. Where the traffic block are there. Yeah. Where the traffic block are there. Yeah. Man want a girl, we no fight fi get her. We impress the girl when we Chris motor car. And when roof we make up here, money man bar. And everyone how we a live like movie star. Man want man now, we no fight fi get her. We impress the girl when we Chris motor car. And when roof we make up here, money man bar. And everyone how we a live like enough.